Nothing works on this case. I think it's time to upgrade to a new case. The Corsair 110R mid-tower case. Hi, this is Mayur and welcome back to the Radman Tech. Corsair advertises this product as exclusively designed for India. Hence we wanted to check this product. This has a minimalistic design which easily blends with any of my background or setup. It comes with an acrylic side panel and full-length PSU cover to hide all my cables. On the front, it's a simple, plain and elegant design. If you're looking for an RGB, then this is not the case for you. There are ample storage options with 4 drives, 2 2.5-inch drive brackets and 2 removable 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drive bays. At the top, you get 2 USB 3.1 Type A ports and headphone microphone combination jack for easy access. Coming to the cooling aspect of the case, the front panel is removable to add your choice of fan. Overall, the case can house 5 120mm fans, 3 140mm fans and a variety of radiators. There is 5.5-inch optical bay for all the Blu-ray DVD enthusiasts or for the ones who wants to convert their PC to HDPC. Now, let me transfer the components from the old case to the new case. It has an excellent cable management which provides a clean look to your rig. Bottom line is, this is a decent offering from Team Corsair within 4000 rupees without compromising on the quality. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more tech related content. Until next time, thank you, take care.